Farfetch was really easy to navigate. This sounds like an ad. This is not an ad. So Farfetch, holla at your girl. But
I see you, I see you. All these girls in the club, I got my eyes on you.
Hey you guys, it's me Keandra and welcome back to my channel. I post videos about fashion, beauty, lifestyle. So if this is something you enjoy, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I am working on consistency just because YouTube it's a lot. Like, I don't know why I feel like I have to like put my whole face on, get it together. Like, why I just can't come back here and just record a video. So today's video is going to be an unboxing video. So I finally caved in and got myself a Jacquemus bag. I ordered it from Farfetch online. So I have been wanting a Jacquemus bag for a really long time. I always wanted a black one, but I'm just like, let me just try something different. And the only reason why I got this color is because it was on sale. This is my first time ordering from Farfetch. I always see like ads and like all like the big YouTubers ordering things from Farfetch, and I just never purchased anything. So I finally purchased something from Farfetch, and it is the Jacquemus bag. This is a big box. Y'all know the Jacquemus bags be like this big, so this box is huge for this little purse. So I'm just gonna grab my phone and go through some specs. I forgot which one I ordered. Is it a La Bambino? Let's see, orders. Okay. So I ordered the Jacquemus Le Chiquito top handle bag, and it also comes with a strap. So here's the bag. Came with a duster bag. Now here's the bag. Isn't she so... I'm like crying. She's so cute. I'm screaming because I finally joined the Jacquemus club. Like, look how cute she is. She's so tiny, but let's open her up. Ooh, and the leather smells really good. Like, hey, I found something in the inside. It says that the color is light brown. So I'm just gonna put that back in. Okay, so I have been learning a little bit about like designer handbags and just well-crafted bags, and I've been paying attention to the stitching. Really neat. Like, look at the stitching on this bag. I know I cannot fit my phone in this bag, but I'm gonna try anyway. So let me see. Like, no, I cannot fit my phone in this bag, but that's okay. So I could probably fit like a card case, a lip gloss, a little fragrance spray, but I just thought she was really cute, and for the price, you guys, like, I was not gonna find this any cheaper. I feel like I do want like 2 more colors. I feel like I'm a neutral girl, so I always try to like get stuff that I can wear like year round. So I do want to get a Jacquemus 2 more in the color black and then the color white, and then maybe like a bright color bag just because. But here she is. I finally joined the club. Yeah, Farfetch was really easy to navigate. This sounds like an ad. This is not an ad, so Farfetch, holla at your girl. But anyways, I ordered this bag on August 6, 2023, and I got the bag on Thursday, August 10th. And this bag did come from France. I guess Farfetch is like a store, everything, like they're based in France. So I did catch this bag on sale. I think they had like a 20% off or like a 30% off. I don't know, but the promotion, it says minus $97. So this bag was actually a whole $100 off, a whole $97 off. So that's what really sold me on the bag. Because if I could find a deal, I'm gonna find a deal, like, and I'm not ashamed of it. So I really did get this bag on sale, and I am really happy that I finally caved in. I won't be buying anything else for a really long time because yeah, I should not have bought this, but I bought it. I can't wait to style this. Like, how would you guys style this bag? Like, what are you wearing? Are you using the top handle, or are you wearing it as a crossbody? I feel like I'm gonna wear it both ways. I don't know, I'm just so excited. The ones that are smaller than this, I don't feel like I would ever buy, just because I'm gonna just have, what am I having there, lip gloss? Like, no. I at least need a few other things that that concludes my little unboxing video. I wanted to share it with my little YouTube community that I am growing slowly. Thank you guys for subscribing. I've been getting a lot of new subscribers from YouTube Shorts. I've been paying attention to the analytics, and the shorts have been really helping me grow on YouTube. So thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video.